Welcome once again to ASOM Novel Online Maths. In this video, we are going to solve this problem before us. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by your lesson app. So this is question number 2 in the 2022 Neco past questions in mathematics. So this question is telling us that a taxpayer is allowed 1/6 of his income tax free and pays 20% on the remainder. If he pays 2,400 naira tax, calculate his income and tax-free amount. So this is what we are asked to solve. Now to solve this, we don't know what the total amount he receives as income. So we can say let P represent his income. So P is now representing his income. Now, tax-free is the something as 1/6 of his income. So it will be 1/6 multiplied by P, which is the something as P all over 6. This is tax-free. So what should be the remainder? Remainder is now the something as taking away the tax-free from the original tax. Now, the original income is P, and now tax-free is P/6. So remember, is the something as P minus P all over 6, and P can be seen as P/1, right? Then, looking for their LCM is 6. 1 divided 6 is 6. 6 times P, 6P minus 6 divided 6 is 1. 1 times P is P. So when you subtract, you will notice that the remainder is the something as 5P all over 6. That is what the remainder is. And now he pays 20% on the remainder. What is the remainder? The remainder is now 5P/6, and he pays 20% on it from the problem. 20% is the something as 20/100, which is 20/100 multiplied by the remainder 5P/6. Now 2 here is 3, 2 here is the something as 10. 10 we cancel here, you have 1. So we are left with 5P/10 times 3 is 30. You can reduce to simplest form. 5 here is 1 and 5 here is 6. So that is giving us P/6. So he pays 20% on the remainder. So what he paid is now P/6. So he paid P/6. And go back to the question, you will see where they said that if he pays 2,400 naira, so he paid 2,400, and here you've seen that he paid P/6. That means this P/6 is the same thing as 2,400. You can now cross multiply. P will now be 6 multiplied by 2,400. So look at it here, 2,400 by 6. 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 4 is 24, you write 4 carry 2, 6 times 2 is 12 plus 2 is 14. So he paid 14,400 naira. This is what he paid. But the question says we should find what? Calculate his income and tax-free amount. His income is 14,400 naira because we said P is representing his income. So his income is now 14,400. And the question says also that we should get the tax-free amount. How do you get the tax-free amount? What is the tax-free amount? Tax-free is P/6. So you just need to divide. You write that tax-free amount will now be the something as P/6, which is 14,400 divided by 6. And of course, it is the same thing as 2,400. So do not forget that this video is proudly powered by your lesson app. Catch me on their TikTok page at your lesson app. Go to Play Store, download and subscribe to their app so that you can enjoy my math videos. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you.